Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to set up focus mode on iPhone. Setting up focus modes helps you stay on task by blocking unwanted notifications and calls from unknown numbers. And here are the clear steps to set up focus mode on iPhone. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Focus. Tap a focus option like Do Not Disturb, Work, Sleep, or Personal. Tap Customize Focus or Set up Focus if there's an option. Here, tap People, then tap Add People, and then check the people and hit the check button to choose who can contact you. Then select Allow calls from specific contacts, choose Everybody, Allowed People Only, Favorites, etc. And make sure you choose the Allow Notifications From, and then go back. Now tap the apps. Here you can choose what you want to allow and already permitted you to send notifications. You can also toggle on time-sensitive notifications if needed. Now go back and go to Customize Screens, choose Lock Screen and Home Screen for this focus, and here I'll choose the home screen, and then I can choose the home screen page. Once you choose, tap the check button to save it. Tap Add Schedule or Automation, like time, location, or app. Tap Done or Closing the settings. Focus mode is now active and ready. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.